I do know that a lot of the aerospace companies are starting to look at autonomous air taxis. And so, same, you get to go outside your door and something picks you up and flies you off to where you want to go. So a little bit more enclosed than a jetpack, which is great for cold weather climates and, places that get a lot of rain. And it's really kind of exciting because it's not clear how or where they're going to be flying yet. But that is one of the big things that companies are starting to look at is, especially as autonomous cars become more popular, it's okay, but then that's two-dimensional. Can we be three-dimensional with our autonomous vehicles and moving people from A to B? If I had to wager when exactly we would have our flying taxis, I would say you're going to start seeing them tested in 5 to 10 years. I don't know that they'll actually be widely available until maybe 15 or 20. But if you're, in Silicon Valley or New York City, it might be sooner because there's so much traffic that I would imagine there's enough demand.